And you're talking about the Garhwil's district council election, no?
Yes.
BJP is gearing up and organizing the party to ensure that we contest in almost all the seats of the Garhwil's Autonomous District Council. So the president and other members, they really working very hard to ensure for winning the seats this time in the Garo Hills. Many seats will be winning many seats this time in the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. So BJP is in the gearing up in the full swing now for also for the nominating the candidates, a good candidate, nominating a good candidate from all the constituencies for the Ghdc elections. See, once the BJP will come to power, we are going to uh, investigate all the wrong happenings and the good happening also, not only the wrong happenings and the good happenings in the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council.